There are not only world, one, lakhs and lakhs and lakhs worlds are here. Sometimes becoming man, shape, sometimes trees, creepers, animals and all these things. But if anyone is lucky and there is something, then he goes in the association of pure love. Otherwise no. And what is that luck? What is that luck? Any activity endeavor related to Krishna or his associates or his anything connected. Like Tulsi, temple, his land Vrindavan, Navadip Dham, Puri Dham, all these things. Serving anyhow. There was a saint, Vaishnava, he used to go to door, begging some chapatis or anything, corn some or anything, rice, anything. He used to go. And in this way he used to tell, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Sometimes he may told that Radhe Sham, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe in Vrindavan, in Brij Mandal. Only Radhe Radhe Radhe. He used to go. One day he went to a door, an old lady was there. She was so angry mood. He don't want to hear the Radhe Radhe or Hare Krishna. She rebuked that person. Don't come to my door any day in future. Otherwise, this stick will broken on your back. You should always remember. Don't return. Come to my door. The Vaishnava returned, but next day at the same time again he came. And he was Radhe Radhe, Radhe Sham, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. Again she heard and became so furious and began to chastise, rebuke, and he again returned. Third day he again came. Why he is coming I don't know. To eat. Again she came. And at that time he was cleaning his room by cow dung mixed with water and everything in a cloth, rotten, and she was making clear. And in the meantime he told Radha, oh again? You came? Oh. And he took his cloth and threw it on him. He gladly took it and went to river Jamuna and washed all the clay and everything very well, smooth, and it became smooth. And then it was dried and it was given in ghee. Any devotee gave him ghee and it was given in that. And very little, so many giviks were made, and he used to offer arti by these. Again fourth day, that Vaishnava, after doing so, he went and called very loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe.
Sham. And then this old lady today completely was changed. Oh Baba, wait a little, I am coming. And she took some chapati or anything and he gave it. And he took it very happily, gladly. This is called Sukriti. He gave anything and he used in service of Krishna to help anyone, knowingly or unknowingly. If he circumambulate Vrindavan, Navadvip Dham. He will see any deity and do pranam. He will hear chanting any Vaishnava, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. If he will give a little water to Tulsi and circumambulate. Anyhow, helping any pure devotee. Who is pure devotee? He never thinks to be bhokta of anything. Enjoyer. He thinks that Krishna is enjoyer. So anything, any endeavor is for pleasing Krishna. So if any give a pence, a farthing to farthing, he will give it to his Gurudev or Krishna. He will never enjoy that thing. These are pure. Those who are taking so much, begging so much, and filling their own pocket, only some 1%, 2%, 50%, or 25% giving to Gurudev or anyone, and using all, testing all, or they keep it in bank account, that after that I will enjoy. What they will become? They are not true to them. At once they are fallen, what to become more fallen? And all will realize that they are not really Vaishnava. So if anyhow you are helping, serving that kinds of Vaishnava, or doing parikrama of Vrindavan, parikrama of anyhow, unwillingly you are doing parikrama of Tulsi plant, you are touched with any Tulsi plant, and you have taken any remnant of Mahaprasadam that devotees are distributing somewhere, and really has been offered to Krishna with Tulsi dal, there will be very great effect, surely. So, it is called impression or sukriti. So much sukriti makes sadhu sangha. So sadhu sangha, sarva shastre kaya, laumatre sadhu sangha, sarva siddhiya. So you should have a very strong belief in sadhu sangha and in Guru, in Krishna, in Shastra. This will give you so much strength in. Never be weak. Never be weak. We have support of Krishna, Vaishnava. Mayavadi has no support because his Brahma is Nirakar, Nirvishesh. He has no shape, he has no power to do anything. He is not merciful. He is like dry wood or dry stone. He cannot do help. So be like this. Our Krishna is Sarva Shaktiman, Almighty. He is so merciful. Kya ahetuki? Causeless, merciful. He is everywhere. Everywhere. But Brahma, Nirakar Brahma is not powerful, so he is not everywhere. Never he cannot be. So you should be very
Determined.
And believe in all this and go on. So sometimes it may be that you have no such association, but Chaitanya Charitamrita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and especially Srimad Bhagavatam, are Vyas, Sukadeva Goswami, Parikshit Maharaj like them, and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is like Chaitanya Charitamrita. You should associate them and have so much belief in them strong. We will never be weak and never we will fall. Go Brahma.